everyone, look at the news here. I am playing Feed the Beast. Yeah. First thing I want to say is I'm sorry for being absent for so long because the school started. We had homework, a ton of homework. I had different stuff to do. I'm working on a project right now, a very big project indeed. So I felt kind of guilty. Actually, I did feel guilty. So now I'm gonna post a tutorial, not a tutorial, and I think I'm gonna post a few videos at the same time. Well, not exactly at the same time, but at the same. Okay, so this is my TV thingy. Steven Hills' awesomeness. Awesomeness! No, about time to sleep too. There we are. So I don't know what to do today actually. I've seen some mobs down here. Oh, yeah. It's time to go hunting. Action. Okay. Piggy. Jeffrey. Whatever. Die. Ah, in the air. Like a pro. What is this supposed to be? Oil sands. Let me see. Oil sands. Oh my god. Oil sands. Come on. We can do it. Distill. Yeah. Here. Whatever. It's no use to me. Oh, what is this? What do you... How do you... break... Oh, whatever. What are those? If you know, please let me know, because when I play FTB, I play FTB a lot now. I see a ton of these things in survival. When I try to break them, they don't drop anything. So that's kind of weird. I'm guessing you need an iron tool for them or something. Nice. Oh yeah. I'm doing some biggies. Some mushrooms. So let's see. No, I chose this biome. Guess why I chose this biome? I don't know. Maybe because there's awesome leaves here. Awesome. Red. Yellow. Orange. Brown. Yellow. Orange. Red. Green. And a ton more. We can shoot it. Yellow, red. No, actually I think that's it. Well, yeah, you get why I chose this biome. It's an autumn woods biome. Autumn woods biome. And if you like the seed, here's the seed. It said seed for. There we go. Here we go, the seed. You can pause the video so you can see the seed. What is this? Brown. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of supplements in PTB. I don't know what to do actually. I guess go mining? No, I think mining will go in the next episode. Sorry, this is such a short episode again. I have really short episode. It's just because I wanted to publish a couple of videos at about the same time. I just made a tutorial for a thing that I myself invented called the AMTUAR. AMTUAR, like a name. It's an automatic mining turtle unloader and refiller. So I'll show you that. But bye. Have a good day or night, or whatever it is. Bye.